everybody? Welcome back to another Steve Boston video. We are here, it is Sunday, and we are at Chick-Fil-A. Unfortunately, they opened the door. Fortunately, they opened the doors for us on Sunday. Unfortunately, it's not for chicken. So we got Bill in here pre-treating this, I call it Pebble Tech. It's like a rubber, pebbly kind of floor. Just a quick clip in the beginning of this video here to kind of show you guys that we have done this stuff in the past before. Turns out really good. It's a little bit difficult to clean, but we got it down pat at this point. Morning. Sunday. Sunday. So it's actually not nearly as bad as it normally is. We do this fairly often, but the first time we did this, it was really, really dark all through the traffic areas. But it's always in the dark because we always do this right in the morning. Now we're actually doing it with some sunlight. So using our hard surface devastator wand on this here. This is definitely hard to see on camera because of the design of the floor. It's like tripping it out. But there you go, you can kind of see dirty, clean. Pretty big difference in person. Then in addition to that, we're doing all of the seat backs here. There's a bunch back there. You can see how kind of dirty the top gets from people putting their hands on there. So we're gonna take care of those as well. Is pretty much soaking the tops really, really well. Kind of just pre-treating both sides. Letting that sit a little bit. I'm gonna let those sit. Just brushing it in. Brushing it in, let it soak for a few minutes. Yep, she'll be good to go. We'll wipe the seats down, inadvertently cleaning all the seats as well. And these will turn out pretty good. Big difference. Lots of grease on the top. They are looking much better. Just working on those over there. More over there to do, and then we'll be on to the next one. Nothing too crazy going on at this one, but I figured you guys would find this a little bit cool and interesting, so I figured I'd include it in this video. Now, on to the next one.
8 hours later.
All right, so here we are on job number 2. Last one of the day here. We have about 800 square foot of tumbled travertine that we're gonna be cleaning up. This stuff always holds a lot of soil and all these little cracks and crevices and grout lines and everything. That's all kind of just dirt there all over. So this is usually pretty good transformations here. We got the CRB going. We got the tornado going because we're also gonna be doing the laminate in the bedrooms. Kind of everything in this house. Get stuff set up. We got Bill out here mixing up some
Code Red.
Working really good here. CRB's great at getting in all these little cracks. Trevor is ripping behind the spinner. Way better. All right, so questionnaire time.
What's up?
Been with us for a couple weeks. What's your favorite tool to use on the arsenal?
This one right here.
The little CRV?
Big one.
The big CRV. Makes sense because it's the easiest one to use.
Yeah, it's way nicer than scrubbing the grout lines by hand in the garage.
That's straight mud. Straight mud. I have to get some footage of you behind the spinner for the rare occasion. No?
Oh, behind the spinner. I'm sorry.
Yeah. CRB is a must on jobs like these for sure. So on this side of the house here, I'm applying a nice thick coat of Sager Super Sealer on this one. So we can let this thing dry. She'll be all nice and sealed. Looking really good.
Meanwhile,
Got Trevor over here doing the laminate with the new Tornado. Using this thing like crazy. We bought it, it's been nothing but work with it, which is good. It means it's making us some money. It's working good though. This floor is actually a lot dirtier than it looks. See kind of all the debris on there. Whatever.
So you want to throw in the waste tank?
Oh yeah, we will. For sure. Okay, look at the difference between that and that. Looking good. Let's take a look. Oh yeah. I'd say that's pretty dirty for just some laminate flooring.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Definitely working.
Give the audience a pour. So we got the fans drying over there, and you can see the difference just with this line right here from the dirty to clean. How much better it's looking, for sure. Almost done with this. Trevor's rinsing over there. And that'll be a wrap. the sealer. We're gonna give her a while. It is absorbing pretty well into this very porous travertine here. And as soon as it's dry, a little bit dry, we'll turn these fans on and we will be all done for today. We are going to wrap up the video here. Thank you guys for watching. Hope everyone's doing great today. If you guys are new to the channel, please hit that like button and subscribe. We really appreciate it. And as usual, we'll see all you on the next video. Peace.